Welcome. This tutorial is part 2 on how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook. In this tutorial, we will learn how to manage meeting requests and how to print a calendar. To start, select the message containing the meeting request. You can also select the meeting request from the to-do bar. To cancel a meeting request, click on Cancel Meeting under the Actions group. To see the response of your meeting request, click on Tracking under the Show group. To add or remove people to this meeting request, click here. You can also send messages to the recipient by clicking here. You can set the reminder time under the Options group. You can also set the priority level of the meeting. You can also mark it as private meeting request. Now we will see how to edit a meeting in a calendar. For this, click on Calendar under the Actions group. This will open the calendar. You can see the details of the business meeting you have scheduled. You can edit a particular meeting request by selecting it, right-click on it, click on Open. From here, you can change the details of the scheduled meeting. Now we will learn how to print a calendar. To print this calendar, go to File menu. Click on Print, or you can press Ctrl P on keyboard. You can change the print style, you can change the number of copies, you can select the print range. To see the print preview of your calendar, click here. Click on OK to print the calendar. You have successfully learned how to manage meeting requests and how to print a calendar in Outlook. Thank you.